Are you experiencing your car jerking when stopped at a light? Don't worry, you're not alone, as this is a common issue faced by many drivers. One possible cause of this problem is a misfiring engine, which can be caused by worn-out spark plugs or a faulty ignition coil. Another culprit could be a dirty or clogged fuel injector, affecting the fuel delivery to the engine. A malfunctioning throttle position sensor might also be to blame, causing irregular engine idle and sudden jerking. If your car has an automatic transmission, a low fluid level or a failing torque converter could lead to jerking when stopped. A defective idle control valve could be disrupting the engine's idling speed, causing the jerking sensation. In some cases, a worn-out motor mount can also be the culprit, as it fails to stabilize the engine during idle. If you're hearing a clunking noise along with the jerking, it could indicate a problem with the suspension or a worn-out CV joint. To address these issues, it's important to schedule regular maintenance and inspections for your vehicle to catch any problems early on. If your car is experiencing jerking when stopped, it's recommended to have a qualified mechanic diagnose and repair the issue. Replacing worn-out spark plugs or a faulty ignition coil can improve engine performance and reduce jerking. Cleaning or replacing the fuel injector can help restore proper fuel flow and eliminate the jerking sensation. A faulty throttle position sensor can be replaced to ensure smooth idle and prevent jerking at a standstill. Checking and replenishing the transmission fluid level or repairing a faulty torque converter can resolve jerkiness in automatic transmissions. Replacing a defective idle control valve can stabilize the engine's idling speed and eliminate jerking. If a worn-out motor mount is causing the jerking, it should be replaced to ensure proper engine stability. Addressing suspension or CV joint issues by repairing or replacing faulty components can eliminate clunking noises and jerking sensations. Remember, addressing these issues promptly can help maintain a smooth and comfortable driving experience for both you and your car.